Slippy! Hey, gotcha! Yeah!
Don't worry, I got it. I don't got it.
Okay, Frostbear, I'm done. I don't want to play football anymore.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah, you know what? I was thinking, having a pet dog, you know?
A pet dog? Same here.
No, wait, we're both thinking of having a pet dog. Oh, let's go ask Freddy if we can have a pet dog.
Okay, go ahead. Go ask Freddy.
Alright, I'm gonna go ask Freddy for a pet dog.
Please say yes. Nothing else to do but to read this Five Nights at Freddy's Silver Eyes book.
Hey Freddy!
What?
So, I was wondering if we could...
No.
Well, I was about to say...
Yes, I know you want a pet dog. I say no.
Well, why not? And also, how do you know I was about to say that?
Well, I heard you and Frostbear were talking about you wanting a dog.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, come on, it's just a dog. I really want a pet dog.
For what?
I don't know, just a pet.
Just a pet? Well, I say no then. 'Cause, like, you see, he's gonna start pooping all over the house and peeing everywhere. And yeah, I am not gonna go stick with that.
Seriously? Oh, come on.
Well, sorry, I say no.
Well, screw you, Freddy.
Screw you too. I'ma just read my Silver Eyes book.
Ha!
What did he say?
He said no.
What the? Why did he say no?
Because he doesn't want to clean up all the poop from the dog.
Well, he can just have you clean it instead.
I know, but he doesn't give a heck about it.
Alright. That sucks. That we can't have a pet dog.
I know, same here. But don't worry, we'll probably find our own pet dog. Like, you know, without Freddy noticing.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So, I'm gonna just try to go find me a pet dog.
Oh, wait. No. What if he finds out? Never mind. I'll just do nothing. I am lost. I need a home.
I'm gonna go find a home. Oh, doggy! Doggy, where are you? Doggy! No way!
I wonder what Slippy's up to right now. Hopefully he won't find it. I mean, I hate to say that, but I just don't want him to get in trouble.
Hey, Zippy! Guess what, Frostbear?
What?
I found a pet dog. Oh,
Hey there. What? Oh, whoa! What the hell is that thing?
it's a dog.
Yeah, but it has so many legs.
Well, yeah. That's because it's a caterpillar too, but a dog.
I say it's a
Caterpillar slash a dog.
What if it's dangerous?
Don't worry, it won't be dangerous. It's just a dog, but with so many legs.
Oh, hey there. I'm BJ Bugapillar. What the? I'm getting away from that thing, so... suit yourself.
Wow, what a jerk. Come on, BJ Bugapillar.
Oh.
Oh, I think I want to show it to other people. But can't let Freddy notice. Come on, PJ Buckapillar, follow me.
Well, nothing else to do but just lay down and relax. Yeah, same here. What about you, Foxy? Nah, I don't give shit. You can just start your own thing. Whatever. This is so relaxing, right? Yeah. Nobody cares. Oh, shut up, Foxy. You shut up. Always being such a jerk to us. Whatever.
Hey, guys!
What is it, Slippy? Yeah, what is it? Why did you, ran over here and said, oh, guys.
Oh, shut up, Foxy. Hey, guys, look who I have.
Hey there. Whoa, what the hell is that thing? Whoa, what the fuck?
Yup, his name is PJ Buckapillar, and he's a dog and a caterpillar too.
Wow, no wonder why he has so many legs.
Yup.
Well, at first I thought he had two butts, you know, one at the front and one at the back. Yeah, I know, he's always like that sometimes. I know, right? Whoa. Nice dog.
Thanks. His name is PJ Buckapillar, and he's very friendly.
Hey there. Whoa. What? It can talk too? What the? I didn't know dogs can talk. Well, you know, bunnies and chickens and foxes don't talk in real life. You know that?
All right, that is it. Hey, PJ Buckapillar, suck him.
Seriously? What the hell your goofy dog is gonna do with his goofy ass voice?
Oh yeah? You're gonna regret it, Foxy. PJ Buckapillar, suck him.
Haha, your dog sucks.
Yeah, that's right. Suck him.
Whoa, your dog is kicking his butt. Yeah, well, that's good, because he's always been a jerk to us all the time.
And, yeah. Well, anyways, that's my dog. Hope you like it.
No, alright. I just got done reading that book. What in the world is that?
Oh, Freddy! Oh, I didn't expect you to see here.
Oh, hey, Freddy. Did you see Slippy's new dog? What the? A dog? Slippy, didn't I tell you no dogs in this house?
I'm sorry, Freddy. I just really wanted a dog, okay? Don't be mad at me.
Oh my God, Slippy. I told you no dogs in this house.
I wanted a dog, fair and square. And if you don't want a dog, too bad then. Suit yourself. Because he's my dog.
Plus, where did you even get him?
Oh yeah, I found him outside. He was all alone. He needed a home. So I decided I'd take him in.
Oh my God, Slippy.
Nice boy, good boy, PJ Buckapillar.
Wait, Slippy, get him off of me.
That's just the way how he says hi to you. So, yeah.
Anyways, I think I'm gonna go do something. Same here.
BJ! Okay, BJ, set. Roll over. And speak.
Oh.
Hello. Good boy. Come on, together, let's play fetch.
Alrighty. Oh yeah, I see Slippy with PJ Pugapillar. No way, I need that dog. Haha, I got to have that dog. Haha. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to steal it. I need that dog somehow. Well, what do you need that dog for? Glamrock Chica. You know what? I want that dog. Why do you want that dog? Because it's cool. He's fluffy and he's a caterpillar, but a dog. And that's amazing. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna try to take away that dog. Ha 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 ha. Well, you can just like ask him if you wanna pet him. Well, I don't want to just pet him. I want to keep him. So, I'm gonna find a way to take away that dog. Haha. Oh boy. Alright. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. What are you going to do? I'm a step right up there, and then I ask him or tell him that that's my dog. I tell him that's my dog, and then I take him with me and then use him as my new pet. Well, you are already a cat, you know that. Well, yeah, and he is already a fox. He shouldn't need a dog. Well, never mind. Exactly. So, I'm gonna take away that dog and then have him as my new pet. So, anyways, speaking, I gotta get going. This isn't... Oh boy, this isn't gonna work out.
BJ Pugapillar, you're the best, BJ. I'm glad to have you as my new pet.
Well, thank you so much. I'm glad to have you as my new owner. Excuse me there, young man.
What? Hey?
I came here for the dog.
You mean my dog?
No, actually, my dog.
Oh. Well, why do you want him?
Because I need to take him for my newest secret weapon to destroy all Uger.
Seriously? No, I know you're the bad guy. You're not gonna take away my dog before I call Dogman on you.
Dogman? Ha! Ha 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 ha. Alright then, do it.
I don't have my phone on me.
Ha! No, I'm gonna take away.
No! You stay away from me!
Oh, you spoiled brat. Well then. Come here.
No! No!
Yeah.
BJ, soak him! Yeah, take that! You pussycat! Let him take a... Now, BJ, take a bite of his butt!
No, ouch!
That's what you get, pussycat! Now, I grab your tail and get out of here!
Wah! Haha!
Take that, pussycats. All right, now come on, PJ. I won't let anything happen to you.
Roar. Roar. Ow. You see, I told you that's what happens. Damn. He bit me. That stupid dog. I told you that's a bad idea. Okay, you know what? You're fired. Leave. Well, good thing, because I'm not going to work for you ever again, so, ouch. It's a good thing you got your butt whooped. Stupid her. Who needs her anyways? I can work alone. Ow! What's going on, son? I heard you're hurt. What happened? Dad, what are you doing here? I came to talk to you, Dad. Why'd you got your butt whooped up? Is it because your dog kicked your ass or something? I don't want to talk about it. You can go away now, Dad. Well, you see, that's what happens when you mess with the dog. Good thing you got your butt kicked by him. Dad, go away now. You can leave. Anyways, see you later, punk. Don't worry, Slips. I'll come back for my revenge.
Sippy. You'll always be my dog.
PJ? PJ? Oh, there you are, PJ.
What the? Wait a minute. Who are you?
Hi. Hey there. I'm Poppy, and I came for my dog.
Wait, that's your dog?
Yeah, this is my dog.
Is it true, PJ?
Yeah, I kind of lost him. After, when I took him to the walk, he started running away. But thank you for taking care of my dog. You found him.
What the? But he was a good dog. But he's...
Look, don't worry. If you want to see him again, you can come over and see him if you want.
Oh, thank you so much. You're really nice. Wait, what's your name again?
I'm Poppy.
I'm Slippy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, anyways, I gotta get going now. See you later, Slippy.
See you later, Poppy. Don't worry. I can probably visit him anytime. I'm gonna just do my own thing.